Hello and welcome back to our weekly talks on life mastery, how to master your life and become your ultimate self. If you're interested in self-improvement and personal growth, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Let me ask you this question. How much of your human potential have you achieved? How do you even measure your personal growth? How much more room do you have for personal growth to become your ultimate self, the best version of yourself? Well, over the last decade, I've asked over 1,000 people the same question, and not a single person was able to answer clearly and meaningfully. And that is because there has never, ever been a tool to measure the human potential in a scientific, meaningful way until now. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Hi, my name is Dr. Francis Valla. I'm a medical weight loss doctor and a certified master life coach. I'm also the founder of H.E.A.T Academy, which stands for Human Empowerment and Transformation. Today, I'm going to show you a very powerful, groundbreaking tool that can revolutionize the personal growth industry and can be the guide to your ultimate personal development. And I will share that screen with you right now. If you watched the previous episodes, I gave an overview about the scale in general, and now each week I'm diving deeper into each of the foundations and sub-foundations. Basically, if you think about the whole human system as a set of several different foundations, simply put, the body, mind, soul, and social aspects. With each of these, specifically these social aspects having several sub-foundations. Uh, each week, I'm going to talk a little bit about each of these foundations deeper and how do we use this tool to be able to measure our human potential and also measure our growth in this specific area. Today, I'm going to talk about the body or the physical aspects. So the red zone in the body, as you can see, signifies the illness zone. So if you have any physical illness like diabetes, like heart disease, high blood pressure, or any other chronic physical illness, you would score yourself from 1 to 4. 1 is the worst scenario, the extreme illness zone, and 10 is the best scenario of your physical health, the extreme wellness. So if you have any sort of physical illness like chronic disease, you'll be in the red zone. 4 is mild, 3 is moderate, 2 is severe, and 1 is really extreme. So like terminal illness. Someone like, for example, if God forbid, if you or anyone you know has, let's say, a terminal cancer and is expected a survival rate of less than, let's say, 6 months or 3 months, then they would score at 1 out of 10. On the other side, if you're healthy, you would score yourself in the green zone. So a 7 is an average person, 8 is above average, 9 is well above average, like let's say an Olympian, and 10 would be extremely fit, someone like an Olympian medalist, as an example. So you can use this guide to score yourself and have an idea of where you are on the scale of physical health. Now, the yellow signifies the at-risk or the pre-disease zone. So for example, if you have pre-diabetes or if you are at risk of diabetes, you would score yourself 5 or 6. The lower the score, the unhealthier you are. And the higher your score, the healthier you would be. So that gives you an idea of where you stand today on the spectrum of physical health, purely the body, physical health. And you can also use this tool to measure your growth of set your goal of where you want to be in your physical health, what programs you're using, and what you're doing to get better, and how you can track over time. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and this is backed by a whole technology behind this, which is actually measures your metrics and data objectively to give you a much more accurate view of where you stand. So you have a subjective score of where you think you are, and then backed by the technology and the system behind it, it gives you an objective score of where you stand on this physical health. I hope you have found this helpful. If you do, please share it with other people, because this is a groundbreaking tool and it can really help you improve your life in different aspects. Also, please, you can share or download this QR code, which is my app, the H.E.A.T Academy app on the App Store, and we will be sharing more and more value content on a weekly basis. I hope you to have served you. Live your life with love, passion, and purpose. Until next time, so long.